Hello, magicians, and welcome back to another enlightening episode of Magick Practices. In today's episode, we'll be diving into Section 2, Astrology and the Zodiac, a fascinating and essential part of your journey as a neophyte in the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn. By the end of this episode, you'll have a deeper understanding of the zodiac signs, their traits, and how they are organized into triplicities and quadruplicities. Let's begin. Astrology is one of the oldest sciences known to humanity, tracing its origins back to ancient Sumer and beyond. It examines the influence of celestial bodies on living beings, earthly conditions, and even non-living objects. While modern astronomy focuses on the physical aspects of celestial bodies, astrology delves into the spiritual, intuitive, and philosophical dimensions of these influences. The zodiac is a circular belt divided into 12 signs, each representing a specific energy or archetype. These signs are grouped into triplicities, based on the 4 elements, and quadruplicities, based on 3 qualities: cardinal, fixed, and mutable. Together, they form a symbolic framework for understanding the interplay of cosmic energies in our lives. The 12 zodiac signs are divided into 4 triplicities, each associated with one of the 4 magical elements: fire, water, air, and earth. These groupings reveal the elemental essence of each sign and their shared traits. The fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Their positive traits are fiery, passionate, spontaneous, independent, and enthusiastic. The negative traits are forceful, domineering, and overbearing. The elemental energy embodies vitality, creativity, and the spark of initiation. The water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Their positive traits are intuitive, emotional, sensitive, compassionate, and complex. The negative traits are moody, easily influenced, self-pitying, and wavering. The elemental energy represents the subconscious, emotional depth, and the flow of life. The air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Their positive traits are intellectual, communicative, logical, open-minded, and idealistic. The negative traits are cold, insensitive, and impractical. The elemental energy symbolizes thought, communication, and the power of the mind. The earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Their positive traits are stable, practical, dependable, conservative, and sensual. The negative traits are dull, slow, possessive, and overly materialistic. The elemental energy embodies grounding, productivity, and the material world. The zodiac signs are also divided into 3 quadruplicities, based on their qualities: cardinal, fixed or Kerubic, and mutable. These groupings describe how each sign expresses its energy. The cardinal signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. Their positive traits are active, independent, ambitious, and enthusiastic. The negative traits are impetuous, domineering, and unable to follow through. These signs initiate change and mark the beginning of each season. Their directional correspondences are Aries in the east, Cancer in the north, Libra in the west, and Capricorn in the south. The fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Their positive traits are determined, stable, persevering, and perceptive. The negative traits are stubborn, egotistical, and resistant to change. These signs stabilize and maintain the energy of each season. The mutable signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Their positive traits are adaptable, versatile, intuitive, and clever. The negative traits are unreliable, fickle, and indecisive. These signs adapt and transition between seasons, completing the cycle of change. Here's a closer look at each zodiac sign's energies, strengths, and challenges. Use this knowledge to deepen your astrological insights and align with the cosmic forces at play in your magical practice. Aries embodies the raw, fiery energy of initiation and leadership, charging forward with bold determination. With the ram's horns as its symbol, this cardinal fire sign throws on action and new beginnings. Governed by the key phrase "I am" and the keyword activity, Aries is quick, pioneering, courageous, independent, dynamic, and competitive. Living in the present, it thrives on challenges and excitement. However, its impatience and quick temper can lead to overbearing tendencies, and it often struggles with finishing what it starts. Taurus, rooted in the Earth's abundance, exudes stability and sensuality. Represented by the bull's head, this fixed Earth sign embraces patience and tangible creation. Its guiding phrase, I have, and its keyword, stability, reflect its dependable, practical, and thorough nature. Taurus cherishes comfort, beauty, and material security, creating a life rich in tradition and sensual pleasure. However, its stubbornness and resistance to change can sometimes make it possessive and slow-moving. Gemini, ever the intellectual traveler, dances with the winds of curiosity and adaptability. Symbolized by the Roman numeral 2, this mutable air sign thrives on communication and exchange. With the mantra I think and the keyword versatility, Gemini is inquisitive, sociable, and expressive, constantly absorbing and disseminating knowledge. Its dual nature allows it to see all sides of a situation. But this same quality can lead to inconsistency, scattered focus, and a tendency to struggle with follow-through. A Cancer cradles the moon's tides, embodying emotional depth and devotion. Represented by the crab's claws, this cardinal water sign nurtures and protects with unwavering care. Its key phrase, I feel, and keyword devotion highlight its intuitive, sensitive, and supportive qualities. Cancer values home and family above all, treasuring memories and traditions. However, its deep emotional reservoir can sometimes lead to moodiness, self-pity, and an inclination toward overcautiousness or manipulation. Leo blazes like the sun, radiating charisma and passionate energy. The lion's tail symbolizes this fixed fire sign's natural leadership and confidence. With I will as its guiding phrase and magnetism as its keyword, Leo is dramatic, ambitious, and idealistic. It loves to shine, inspiring those around it with warmth and generosity. However, unchecked pride and a desire for attention can lead to egotism, pomposity, and a tendency to dominate those around it. Virgo sculpts order from chaos, bringing analytical precision and practicality to every endeavor. Represented by the Greek word for virgin, this mutable earth sign thrives on diligence and detail. With I analyze as its key phrase and practicality as its keyword, Virgo is methodical, hardworking, and discriminating. It finds fulfillment in service and improvement, yet its meticulous nature can sometimes turn into fault-finding, cynicism, and excessive perfectionism. Libra pirouettes on the edge of harmony, weaving beauty and balance into every aspect of life. The scales represent its quest for fairness and diplomacy. As a cardinal air sign, Libra is sociable, tactful, and cooperative, guided by the phrase I balance and the keyword harmony. With an eye for aesthetics and a deep appreciation for partnership, Libra strives for peace and connection. However, its indecisiveness and desire to please everyone can lead to ambivalence and a reluctance to take firm stances. Scorpio dives into the abyss, seeking truth and transformation with relentless intensity. The scorpion's tail symbolizes its powerful and penetrating nature. As a fixed water sign, Scorpio is passionate, resourceful, and deeply aware. Its key phrase I desire and keyword intensity reflect it to delve beneath the surface and uncover hidden truths. However, its emotional depth can sometimes manifest as jealousy, secrecy, and an unforgiving nature. Sagittarius chases the horizon, fueled by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and adventure. Represented by the archer's arrow, this mutable fire sign embodies exploration and freedom. With I understand as its guiding phrase and visualization as its keyword, Sagittarius is philosophical, optimistic, and ethical. It thrives on broadening its mind and seeking new experiences. However, its bluntness and impatience can sometimes lead to tactlessness and a tendency to overpromise and underdeliver. Capricorn climbs the mountain with steady resolve, embodying ambition and discipline. The sea goat's horn and tail represent its ability to navigate both material and emotional realms. This cardinal earth sign, governed by our use as its phrase and ambition as its keyword, is hardworking, responsible, and pragmatic. It excels in creating lasting structures and achieving long-term goals. However, its focus on status and success can sometimes lead to rigidity, coldness, and an overbearing nature. Aquarius electrifies the future, challenging convention with innovative vision. Represented by waves of water, this fixed air sign is progressive, intellectual, and fiercely independent. With I know as its key phrase, and imagination as its keyword, Aquarius thrives on revolutionizing ideas and advocating for humanitarian causes. However, its tendency toward detachment and unpredictability can make it seem aloof or emotionally distant. Pisces dissolves into the cosmic sea, merging dreams with reality. The two fish tied together symbolize its dual nature, one swimming toward enlightenment, the other caught in illusion. As a mutable water sign, Pisces is compassionate, artistic, and deeply intuitive. Governed by I believe and understanding, it navigates the world with empathy and imagination. However, its boundless sensitivity can sometimes lead to escapism, indecisiveness, and a feeling of being misunderstood. Okay, we hope you have liked this episode. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of astrology and the zodiac. By understanding the triplicities and quadruplicities, you've taken a significant step toward mastering the symbolic language of the cosmos. These concepts will serve as a foundation for your future studies in magic and spiritual growth. In our next episode, we'll delve into Section 3, the 7 ancient planets, where we'll uncover the mystical correspondences and influences of these celestial bodies. You'll learn how the planets interact with the zodiac and how they shape our spiritual and material lives. If you found this episode valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow magicians. Your support on Patreon or PayPal helps us continue creating exclusive content for your magical journey. Till we meet again, keep your curiosity alive, let inspiration guide you, and continue refining your craft. Blessings to you, magician.